Hello student, in last video I explained complex type conversion function. Now in this video I will explain last two type conversion function, boolean and string. First we will see boolean type conversion function. Now we can use bool function to convert other data type values to boolean data type. Now the value which you want to convert into boolean, that value you have to pass in a bool function. Now if you want to convert integer value into boolean, then if integer value is a 0, then it will be converted into false, and any non-zero integer value will be converted to true. Now see the example, bool of 0. Now here integer value is a 0, so it will be converted into false. Then bool of 5, so 5 is a non-zero integer value, so it will be converted to true. Then bool of 21, 21 is also a non-zero integer value, so it will be converted to true. Then if you want to convert floating point value into boolean, then if floating point value is a 0, then it will be converted into false, and any non-zero floating point value will be converted to true. Now see the example, bool of 1.2. Now 1.2 is a non-zero floating point value, so it will be converted to true. Then bool of 0.45, so this is also a non-zero floating point value, so it will be converted to true. Then bool of 0.0, now this is a zero floating point value, so it will be converted to false. Then if you want to convert the complex value into boolean value, then if real and imaginary part of complex number both are 0, then it will be converted into false, and any non-zero complex number will be converted into true. Now see the example, 5 plus 2j. Now here both real and imaginary part are non-zero, so it will be converted to true. Then bool of 0 plus 0.5j. Now here real part is 0 but imaginary part is non-zero, so it will be converted into true. Then bool of 0 plus 0j, here both real and imaginary part are 0, so it will be converted to false. Now if you want to convert a string value into boolean value, then if string is empty, then it will be converted into false, and if string is non-empty, then it will be converted to true. Now see the example, bool of python. Now python is a non-empty string, so it will be converted into true. Then bool of java, so java is also a non-empty string, so it will be converted to true. Then bool of just a double quote, so this is a empty string, and empty string will be converted to false. So this is all about boolean type conversion function. Now we'll see the last type conversion function, that is a string. Now we can use string type conversion function to convert other data type values to string type. We can the value which you want to convert into string, that value you have to pass to this str function, and we can convert any data type value to string data type. There is no any rule for converting other data type values into string data type. Now see the example, str of 7. Now 7 is an integer value and it will be converted into string 7. Then str of 9.2, so 9.2 is a floating point value, so it will be converted into string of 9.2. Then str of 7 plus 5j, so 7 plus 5j is a complex number, so it will be converted into a string of 7 plus 5j. Then str of true, so this is a boolean value, so it will be converted into string true. So this is all about a string type conversion function. So we'll stop here. Thank you.